The Rise of Cozy Hobbies, Finding Joy in the Small Things, 2025 edition. In a fast-paced, always online world, more people in 2025 are rediscovering the value of slow, mindful hobbies. The cozy hobby trend is booming. Activities that bring calm, creativity, and comfort without needing special gear or locations. From journaling in soft lighting to knitting while listening to ambient music, these pastimes are becoming a form of self-care. Social media is amplifying the trend with platforms like Instagram and Pinterest full of aesthetic posts showing cozy setups. People are not just doing hobbies, they're curating and sharing them as lifestyle statements. At the heart of the movement is a return to analog experiences. Digital detox weekends now often include activities like painting by numbers, candle making, or collecting vinyl records. Book nooks, tiny, intricate dioramas tucked into shelves are a perfect example. They require time and attention, but reward with deeply personal, tactile satisfaction. These hobbies aren't about monetization or optimization. They're about feeling grounded, engaged, and emotionally fulfilled through touch, smell, and quiet focus. The cozy hobby wave has also transformed how people connect socially. Hobby clubs are making a big comeback, but this time they're digital first. People meet on Discord to crochet together while chatting or stream themselves writing letters with fountain pens. Events like virtual tea and craft nights are creating low-pressure spaces for connection. This hybrid model, remote yet intimate, is a perfect fit for a generation balancing isolation with the desire for community. The visual culture around cozy hobbies is a driving force behind their popularity. The goal is to create a visual escape as much as an emotional one. Posters and collages of these moments are widely shared, turning each hobby session into something iconic. In 2025, hobbies aren't just what we do. They're who we are, reflected in every cozy frame.